Bago lang nila na-realize sa malayo ang biyahe yung paalis na. Good morning, guys! Today we are going to Taytay, Palawan!
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want to glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning guns.
Look at the big cashew! Wow!
So ayun guys, dito na tayo ngayon sa Rojas at tayo ay didiretso na ng Taytay. Ito na si Baggy, nakapa full tank na tayo ulit. At ang naubos nating gasolina from Puerto Princesa hanggang dito sa Rojas ay nasa 5 liters. More or less nasa 27 kilometers per 1. Ito yung karga natin. Ayan o.
You say hi!
Puno tayo na gamit dyan. Meron pa tayong mga ice box.
Right,
tent,
yung bagay na daw.
may tubigan. What? Count mo na ikaw. 1! Alright, Baggy na? Let's go!
Sabi mo fish on!
Fish on! Okay, let's go.
Stop over!
Kita kami ng mais. Ayan,
Oh.
yan yung mais ni ate.
Ay, luto.
Ito te ay 130. 130. Ito naman 100. Ano yan? Malagkit.
Malagkit.
Bagbili ka, ma'am? Bili si Ma'am Jing. Si Ma'am Jing na lang, manghingi na lang
Saan
tayo.
na ba tayo? Saan na tayo?
Anong lugar na to, te?
Barangay Dumaraw.
Barangay
Dumaraw.
Dumaraw. Tapos,
Rojas.
last na to na barangay.
Ano pa po? Doon pa sa Salvador.
May Salvador pa. Tapos bago yung pa San Vicente na.
O, dyan po sa unang San Vicente.
Ilang liko po yun?
Let's make it
Ito na lang yung ibang leg. Tapos ito yung mataas dito. Ito yung
This
ahon
time we
dito.
will make it. If your heart should break on the map of my mistakes, I'm here
Ay,
with
ito yan.
you. Just keep on believing.
Tay na!
If the sky
Tay na! Tulog
should
na!
fall, I'll give you shelter through it all. You better believe it.
So ayun guys, after ng rides natin sa land, nakasakay na naman tayo ng bangka ngayon. Kasi papunta tayo sa isang isla dito sa Taytay. Ito, tara. Yan na, mandar na si Kuya Nante. Dito na tayo sa isla na kung saan tayo mag-spend ng gabi. Ayan o.
Morning! Tayo ng isda. Dito kami ngayon sa Biton. Yan, dito kami natulog. Grabe kahit walang aircon, ang lamig. Tapos pagising mo yan yung view. Oh, jeez! Hehe. Punta natin sila. Punta na sila doon. May... Ano meron dyan, Papa? May isda daw doon. Tapos parang may pusit ba? Ang agahan daw. Kasi, tapos mag-agahan, punta kami ng Tibangan. Punta kami ng Tibangan, tsaka Dinamayan ata ang aming itinerary today. Kaya kailangan kumain, malayo kasi yung isla. Uy, ang dami! Wow! Wow!
Paano lang yan, ma'am?
Ah!
Yan ang huli ni Kuya sa magdamag.
Grabe, ang dami.
Yan.
Kasi yun, ang laki.
Mga ilang kilo yan, Pinggel?
Kilo siguro. Kami ni Fish Daisy.
50 siguro yan.
Wala pa Fish.
40 kilos din laman na yan.
Grabe.
Anong gagawin dyan?
Hala, ang laki.
Kaya tayo doon siguro. Ihawin lang.
Squid. That's a squid. Squid. Gusto mo hawakan?
Ito pag sa sariwa siya, kaya pa siya tsura.
Sino hawakan? Mami, hawakan mami.
Huwag kami nakuha.
Takot siya. O, madulas kayo ah.
Clear
Careful.
pa siya, sir.
So, ay, Mero, go back tayo,
Takot
Mer.
siya.
Takot ikaw sa bangka?
Water mo na, inom water.
Don't worry, dito si Mama at si Papa, ha?
Oh, dito. We are going to Dibangan. You will see the big sea turtle. It's bigger than Murmur. You wanna kiss the sea turtle, Leonardo?
Yes.
Can you say Leonardo?
I'm grateful for these bumps in the road. The closer I look, these bumps are gold. I'm gonna walk with love and face that fear, because I know it's only up from here. All that I need is within me. I just have to trust my instinct. It's not gonna be easy, it might get tough, even when I've run out of luck. Dig down deep, keep showing up. I know I've got all the right stuff. It'll take some courage when I'm afraid. Have to have faith, let my heart lead the way. Shoot for the stars, you ain't land on the moon. Step by step, you just have to move. Sooner or later, it's now or never. Sooner or later, now or never.
So, nandito na tayo guys sa Barangay Dibangan after ilang oras na biyahe natin.
Wow, sabi niya.
Oh, what can you say?
Wow.
Do you see some sea turtle? Ooh. Is it good here? Yes. Are you okay?
9:30.
So, almost 2 hours ang biyahe natin. Sa mga lalaki na pawikan dito, ang pinakamalaki si Leonardo. Sa babae naman si Leslie. Yan, sabi ni Kuya. Ayan. Nandito na raw si Leonardo, nakita na nila. Tara, tignan natin Tama ko na si Mer. Mer, hanapin natin si Leonardo, Mer. Ito na, kasama na ni Kuya. Ayan na. Tara, Mama. Let's go. Magchinelas ka? Chinelas ka? Bawal hawakan ng pawikan pala dito. Tignan lang. At videohan na. Ito na, Mer. Ito, Mer, oh. Mer.
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh.
What happened? Go into the boat, okay? Where? Go back to the shore? Tapos na ang adventure natin dito sa Dibangan. Kaya maraming salamat dito sa Barangay Dibangan. Ayan na si Mermer, hindi pa sana mag-uwi. Gusto mo
Alarm
magligo.
kasi. Nag-alarm.
Nag-alarm? Kaya tara na guys, let's go na tayo to another island. At kung saan yun?
Let's go!
Dito yun!
La, grabe ang lino ng tubig. Grabe, Gid. Tinlo, dige. Sa lahat ng pinuntahan natin dito talaga napaswim yung others.
I've seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back.
Ito na si Mama. Hello, tinating ko marami.
Don't have to be chasing every dream that
Hello guys. Open this. So, ayos ito na guys. Ayos nila.
love here than I can bear. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why.
Yes!
I'm always
Ay,
running home
grabe
to
yung
you.
clothing na! Galing ah!
All I know,
Papa, malaglag yan! Papa!
is this is where my heart is.
Back up na tayo doon sa Ibalugan kasi maghanap tayo ng fishing spot dito. Maghanap tayo mag-traditional fishing. Yung isda, ayun o. Tingnan nyo yung isda. Yan.
Wala, meron din ang papa. Lapo.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Wala, zero ako sa ano, sa laot. Nakailan ka, Manong?
Nakadalawa lang ako.
Dalawa si